Hello. Welcome everyone to the midweek Wednesday. We're back. It's a Wednesday, guys, and this is now Wednesday, 15th July. We have PPI, Jay Bullard, I believe. Bullard or Bullard. It's not CPI. CPI was yesterday. Today is PPI. PPI will be like in the next 15 minutes. But we can analyze the markets. We can analyze the markets and see what is actually gonna happen. Yeah. So right now we also have not to forget, we do have Canadian interest rate. That will be like in 2 hours or so. And I have my eye on pound CAD. I do have my eye on pound CAD. So what I'm anticipating on pound CAD, I think I can even actually enter right now in a trade on pound CAD. Like, let me just insert the object I'm looking for, shapes, rectangle. Yeah, so what I'm looking on pound CAD is for the market to come up here. I think it actually already has. Like, I'm looking for pound CAD to come all the way up here. And actually, yeah, it has already come all the way up there. And what we're looking for on pound CAD is for the market to actually reverse off this point. So I'll be waiting for like the 4 hour candle to close. If I do see a rejection over here, I'll be entering and we'll be aiming to close up this low right here. We'll be aiming for the support level. So this is what I'm anticipated on pound CAD. As for gold, I think we can even enter in gold right now, like 0. Let's say 20. Oopsie, there we go again. MT5 likes crashing whenever I press a buy or sell order. Yes, Trader Gump, how are we doing today? Hola, tudo bem? Oh no, that's Portuguese. Hola. All right, that's not enough money, so let's try 0.15. Yeah, so we've gotten in gold a buy 0.15. So what are we aiming for today on gold? It seems the same level is playing out, you know? Like yesterday, this level was where we're looking at to come out. But today, I do think we'll be aiming for this resistance level right here around 26.1. So what I'm anticipating on gold, there we go again. God damn it. Oh my gosh. Sorry for swearing, guys. Right. So it seems like we are having an issue with MT5. Each time I try and do anything with it, like place an order, okay, it managed to put the take profits there. So we're gonna get rid of this rectangle here, and then we're gonna insert a new rectangle. Okay, great to hear, Trader Gump, you're doing quite all right. I hope your trading is also going well too. So this is the area we're looking to come up to. Like maybe we might have the move going to the upside and maybe a downside like that, or we might just strike right through this. But this is an area of interest for me around 460. This is where I think the market may come up to as we keep going. And then today, the markets that have actually been moving a lot today is actually pound yen and pound CAD. Yeah, so that's why I also think like Canadian dollar will be a sell today by 4 p.m. or so. Yeah, CET. Because that's the time the interest. Oh my gosh. So the screen is not showing. My bad. So I have to go back into it again. So like I was saying, this area is 4060 is where I want the market to come up to on gold. So this is my area of interest right now. Then on pound CAD, what I am looking for by 4 p.m. CET, when the Canadian interest rate actually comes through, is for the market to reverse off this support level, literally becoming resistance. This is what I'm anticipating. So we're going to wait for the 4 hour candle to close, and then we see what actually happens. Either we're going to have a rejection right here, or we're going to push all the way up. So I'm just waiting for this 4 hour candle to close. Then once we have confirmation, then I know where we are heading from there. So also as well, gold. Okay, you can also look, yeah, at gold. So gold, like I said, but now this is like Aussie CAD, but we can look at Aussie CAD as well. I don't know why there's so many bugs with MT5, but yeah. So Aussie CAD, I am preparing for the downward move to the downside here. So I'm preparing for this market to come all the way down here. My positions are already set. So I'm thinking Canadian dollar will actually strengthen to the downside here, Aussie CAD. Point of interest of taking profits, trader comp, is 4060. I'm looking to take profits there. Yeah, so 4060 is an area of interest that I'm looking to take profits, but that's where the market can either reverse from or even crash all the way down, probably. But I'm not thinking gold may do that today. Like, I'm not into any sales right now, Trader Gump. I'm only buying on gold. I lost my interest on sales already. So on gold, I'm actually buying all the way to 4060 today. Yeah, just a quick entry. Like I said, I entered already here. That's what made MT5 crash actually, because I entered here and then it immediately crashed. And when I tried to also put a take profit, it crashed again. So Windows users are the ones who don't suffer with this. That's the good part. Yeah, so 4060, we gotta take note of that. But right now, the markets aren't really moving. They're gonna move probably in the next 8 minutes. Then we're gonna see where that market actually goes. So dollar Swiss, we are actually seeing movement here to the upside. The market has literally bounced off this area right here. So yesterday it bounced off here. So this was like a resistance level. So the resistance became support, and we're seeing this market move back up. So we're hoping to come all the way up here to make a new high on dollar Swiss. Then Euro, New Zealand, we're looking for some buying opportunities. But the market has been selling strongly ever since the interest rate for New Zealand. So there hasn't really been any reason to get into this market. Aussie yen, we are currently in sales on Aussie yen. We are looking to continue to the downside, come all the way here. This area here actually looks like a good area to get in again because this is resistance. So we're hoping like we have rejection here. So I'll be entering here as well. And there we go again. MT5 is crashing. You know what? I am gonna be only entering positions on my phone. Yeah, so I'll prefer entering these positions on the phone instead because MT5 actually likes crashing a lot on Mac. So that is the issue we are having here. So Aussie yen. So that position managed to go through on Aussie yen. So reason for entry on this is because we are at a resistance level that has been touched quite some time. So it came all the way up here, created resistance, came back here, rejected, came back here, rejected as well. And so we're hoping this is what will happen as well here. So that's the move we're actually waiting for the market to come down since we've sold right up there. Then USD CAD, we are having the market continue moving up. But what I am anticipating here, especially with the interest rate that's coming up, is for the Canadian dollar to strengthen. but I have no positions on USD CAD, but I do think we might be coming all the way down here. This looks like a point of interest for the market to come down here. Like they might be profit taken right below here at this resistance level, just about below, close to 1.40. So 1.40, 100. So 1.40, 100 is an area the market may look to like actually take profits from during the Canadian interest rate. There may be buy from here come to the upside. So that is my um interest point. Pound CAD already said we are looking for the market to come up here, and it has gotten rid of my drawing that I had put. We're gonna put it up here one more time. We're gonna avoid placing trades whilst on here, so rather be doing that on the phone. um Shapes, there we go. So this is our point of interest there. And then pound yen, we're currently in sales. We are waiting for this market to actually come all the way down here. No reason to actually go long here at the moment. We're just looking for reversals. This is more like a head and shoulders actually, because the left shoulder is here, the head is here, the right shoulder happened here. So that was the reason I entered. The right shoulder happened here. So these were just like dollar cost averaging trades. So I'm just looking to come all the way down here as well. Euro yen, we're also looking for shorts because there's been talks about intervention with the yen. So we have a long way to go. So there's still time on this one, unless somehow the market decides to go up strongly. So yeah, here we sold. We're currently in a bit of profit. I believe so. Just a tiny bit of profit on ONC CAD. Well, not really a bit of profit, but yeah, we're not much of a loss. We just only have $5 there. Then followed by OZN, which we just sold. Gold is leading here, followed by dollar Swiss. We're already $100 in profit on dollar Swiss. And yeah, we're just waiting for Aussie CAD to come into profit as well. The newest trade that we entered on gold was this one. We're currently in a loss of $70. But overall on the account, we're up. We're up $981. By floating profit, we're up like about $600. So we want to actually make 1% off of this. That is what we want. Like to make 1% above this, so $1,000. Yesterday we managed to bank what we could of CPI. Yes, trader Gump MT5 dislikes me. So we have exactly 2 minutes till PPI. PPI, I don't think is going to have much of an impact on gold. Maybe it might have a slight push to the upside, but not like the impact it had yesterday. Yesterday, it was massive. That move to the upside was massive. And it's good I actually took profit. And you guys were not here to tell me to take profit, but I decided to take my own intuition, rather, based on my own intuition. I decided to take profits. Yeah, you should have been here telling me, guys, like take profits or don't take profits, but I decided to take profits of that. So we are left with exactly 1 minute till the news release on PPI, core PPI. Then later on, like an hour later, we're gonna have interest rate for the Fed. Oh, sorry, not for the Fed, Canadian dollar. Then we're gonna have Wall speaking at 4 p.m. So we are left with like exactly 10 seconds till the release. So let us actually look at this on gold. So gold is already moving up. The news release has been released. And yeah, there we go. There we go. We're pushing up real strongly here, but not so much. Let's see the release of the PPI. Was it better than expected? Was it as expected? It's still pending. Oh my gosh, it is worse than expected. So softer tone. So are we gonna have the same thing we did yesterday? on gold? Maybe not really. We might not have that strong spike we had because I think the market already knows what was actually happening yesterday. So what we'll just do is we'll take our profit just here around 40-60. Then those who are looking for sales may be looking for sales, but if it rips through that level, then there is really no need to actually look for sales on that level. So you need to wait to see what the market does around this level. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for it to continue moving upwards. So everything is worse than expected. The focus was zero, but then it had -0 on the PPI month on month. The core PPI, the focus was 0.3, and then we had a 0.2%. So we're shy by 0.1%. So yeah, Go Gold got a buy too. Great. Sorry to hear you were sick yesterday, Trader Gump. I hope you're feeling much better today. So gold had that strong push to the upside, but why is it not moving? Like literally, this is acting shy right now. Gold is literally acting shy. I don't understand why it's not moving because it's supposed to be moving like strongly to the upside, but it's acting shy right now. Don't be shy, Gold. We support you. Just give us the bucks we need. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly, exactly, exactly. Keep moving there. Yeah. So gold is still moving strong. This is a 15-minute candle. So meaning in the next 15 minutes, it's either gonna rip or just gonna remain the same. But overall, we are in a good profit of $155. My position, which I entered around 40.33, is also doing good. So I entered earlier in the morning. That was around like 8 a.m. there, CET. So I entered earlier because I was like, gold is cheap right now. So why not just enter? And then my take profit is literally all the way up. Oh, so right. Just checking my positions on the phone. So gold is still acting shy here. Needs to actually push up strongly. We want that move. We want that move. 40-60 isn't that far. It's like $10 away. We're actually $9 away right now. So we're $9 away from take profits. I just think the market is slow today. So our biggest mover has been pound yen to the upside so far, followed by Aussie yen. Actually, it's Aussie yen which has been the biggest mover to the upside, followed by pound yen. Then the biggest losers was actually Euro New Zealand, which isn't so bad if you think about it. Yeah, so that is basically the movers we had for today. And everything else seems to be okay. Just gold, $8 away, and it's failing to give us that TP. Took TP1 at 40.53. Yeah, congratulations, Trader Gum. TP2 is at 40.60. Yeah, that's the level we wanted to reach. And it's acting slow right now. So I'm getting off this live at the close of this 15-minute candle, mind you guys. So, oh, there we go. There we go. Gold is reaching up there. So I'm hoping before I close up this live, gold actually hits take profit. That's what I want gold to do. I can't be coming on this live and gold is not hitting my take profit. That is very embarrassing. Like yesterday was good, like, but it did not hit my take profit. My take profit was actually on the previous high of 4100, but I just decided to close with whatever I had right there. But today it should give me that green mark of take profit being hit. That's what I need. Yeah. But also yesterday I got that green mark on take profit being hit, but not at the level that I wanted. So if we go back here, oh wait, it actually did hit that. My bad. It actually did hit for 100 yesterday, and that was I banked about $2,334 off that trade. So yeah, and then right now I just needed to touch 4060. In fact, let me make sure it's exactly 4060 because the take profit here is 46182. You know, markets, they like exact numbers sometimes. They like exact numbers. So let me just change that. It's already hit 4060, but then let us, okay. Unfortunately, it's not letting me change that on the phone. It's now touching 46.1. So let's just let it hit take profit at the area which I had set at first. That was 46.182. Let us just let it hit that take profit. Right now the high has been 46.169. My take profit is 40.461. Okay, I don't like it when it does this. Like it's almost there, but then it's retreating. I do not like that. Gold, don't embarrass me here today. We need that take profit at 6-1. Yeah, you see it blipping the green thing? Yeah, there we go. And take profit has finally been hit. Yeah. So we still have our two positions. We had our entry here. This was late night yesterday at 46.1, which was just right here. So imagine the entry is where I got out on this trade. So we're up 1.2%. We're just up exactly 1% here. And our take profit has finally been hit here. Congrats to me. Before the 15-minute candle closed, I am finally glad that has happened. Yeah, now we can focus on other positions like pound CAD. Pound CAD. Right now, I see it reversing from here. Pound CAD. So I think I'm gonna enter actually on pound CAD. Let us just see what is here. So GBP CAD. So for our, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure I enter here on the mobile phone, not, okay. So there we go. I've just entered. Yeah, so our take profit will just be on this previous low, which is right there. Yeah, so this is where our take profit is going to be. We're going to be looking to make $53 off this trade. Yeah, so Canadian interest rate is coming up soon. In fact, let me enter another lot on this one because I'm very optimistic on the Canadian interest rate, and I'll keep this one open because I do think we might even come into levels as far as here. So maybe let me put my take profit down there. Like I'll put my take profit probably somewhere here. I think um pound may touch 1.87 today. Pound CAD might touch 1.87. So let me just put my take profit there. The news is literally in the next 40 minutes or no 50 minutes or so. So I'll put my take profit just down there. Yeah, so my take profit is just down here 1.87. So yeah, this is gonna be the first area. Then we're gonna see if it's gonna reach here after news. I'll keep checking. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna close it out right below this area. So that is what we're gonna do. So gold has reached a high of 40.65 today. The news was not that impactful, but at least we know gold is favoring the upside. We just hope today it doesn't do what it did yesterday, where it continues going up, then it starts retracting from that level. I did not like what it did yesterday. Gold was not doing good things yesterday, and I did not like that. Hopefully, today it does what it has to do and we make our profit because that's what we want in this market. We just want profits, not losses. Profits. Yeah. But losses are part of the game. Yeah. So, yeah, thank you, Trader Gump. Yeah, the take profit was finally hit. I'm glad of that. I didn't even tell you guys at in regards to the promos once more. Don't forget we have 50% off all accounts if you're a first time user. If you join us for the first time, you can get an account 50% off using the promo code first OFP. Then if you've been a user with us for quite some time, you can get 45% off using the promo code OFP45. So this promo is ending on the 31st of July at 11:59 p.m. CET. So you have exactly 16 days to take charge of this opportunity before it actually ends. So I thank you all for joining me this afternoon, morning if you're in New York, and evening if you're probably in Japan. Yeah. And I'll be seeing you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right here on OFP TV. So may you have a profitable day as well and happy trading.